Well, continuing our commitment to help Southwest Louisiana live well, Fox 29 News' Heather Auger is live in the Fox studio with some helpful flu tips. Heather?
Well, it seems you can't go a day without someone saying they're feeling under the weather. Well, if that person is you, then I've got some information that can help you get back on your feet. Take a look.
It's being called one of the worst flu seasons ever. The H3N2 virus has hit the U.S. hard, and Lake Charles has not been immune to this public health emergency. If you're suffering with this sickness, make sure you drink lots of water, which can help flush out your system. But what about building your immune system back up?
Vitamin A and vitamin C are really, really important. The vitamin A is important to strengthen the mucous membranes, and then the vitamin C as well. So it helps the body fight the infection part of it and can make you more resilient. There's another homeopathic supplement that's really good. You can get it at Walmart or different health food stores and drug stores. It's called Xyliococcinium, and it's real safe. You can give it to anybody, young kids, elderly and such. And when you take these little pellets in, it can really help the body fight that infection a lot faster, and even helps with the symptoms like the fatigue, headaches, and just kind of that tired feeling that people have.
Try to avoid eating foods for the nutrients. Instead, head straight for the vitamin itself.
When it comes to trying to get your vitamin C from a food, you have to watch out for the sugar content in it. If you take in more than 60 grams of sugar in about a 2-hour period, your immune system gets knocked down by 50%.
And what about the old-time remedy of chicken noodle soup?
Chicken soup is good, but not out of the can. You would be best to go to a website called westonprice.org, and they have the traditional recipe for chicken soup. And what you'll see is it's actually made from bone marrow. So when you take bones like cow bones, different animal bones, and you actually boil them overnight, you get a lot of different immune factors from the bone marrow.
There are some herbal supplements that can help ease the flu as well.
Two of your well-known herbs are natural-based products that are very effective for bacterial and viral infection. One is echinacea root, and you want to make sure it comes from the root part. Echinacea root is going to be better to prevent a cold, more as a preventative. And then another one that's really, really good and works for about anything is standardized garlic extract. And that's very good for bacterial infection or any type of viral infection.
It's hard to bounce back from the flu, but hopefully these tips will help you to start living well. Heather Auger, Fox 29 News.
Dr. Snow had some great tips, and to see all of these ways to fight the flu and build your immune system so you don't feel so terrible and start living well, go to our website at www.watchfox29.com.